check out this quilt kit.
Oh, Margot, this is the best.
I know, isn't it so much fun? It's by Shannon Fabrics, and the designer is Kimberbear, which is always a favorite designer of ours. And it comes with this beautiful quilt kit and the stuffed animal that you can make to go with it.
How soft this is.
Isn't it lovely?
Yes, yes. And look at the back of this.
Yes. So everything you need to complete this quilt is in this kit. It comes with the backing, all the things to the front, and the binding, and enough fabric for the stuffing. And then
This is way too cute.
What is really great about it, it has like a little applique piece that you do on the bottom.
Absolutely.
So it kind of transcends the bear down there too. But you know, if you didn't want to do the applique piece because you thought it was too difficult for you, you wouldn't have to do it at all. You could just make this just the way it is without the applique piece and make the levy with it, and it'd be beautiful.
This is so soft and washable.
Washable, and just the most gorgeous feeling fabric you've ever felt.
It's incredible.
Again, it's from Shannon Fabrics, and it is a 43 by 29 kit. Everything you need is included in this box to make this cuddly quilt for your loved one.
This is adorable.
I know, I love it. Happy sewing, guys.